Hello everyone, welcome to MrsLinsKitchen. Today I'll show you how to make pork yakisoba, a popular Japanese street food. Here is the ingredients overview. Yakisoba is a quick and easy stir-fry noodles with simple ingredients that you can find in any supermarket. Yakisoba is seasoned with a sweet and savory sauce that tastes similar to Worcestershire sauce. That's why I use Worcestershire sauce in this Japanese recipe. Although soba means buckwheat, yakisoba is actually made from wheat flour noodles, also called Chinese noodles. You can find this type of noodles at Asian grocery store. Let's prepare the ingredients. First, thinly julienne half a red bell pepper. Next, slice half a yellow onion. Slice carrot into thin strips about 1.5 inches long. Chop green onion into 2 inches long and then julienne them. Slice the cabbage. Lastly, cut the pork belly into small bite size. Let's stir fry the yakisoba. Add 1.5 tablespoons of oil to a pan and saute yellow onion until fragrant. Next, add pork belly into the pan and stir fry until pork is no longer pink. When the pork is fully cooked, add carrot, bell pepper, and cabbage. Continue to saute until the vegetables become tender. Add noodles and green onion into the pan. Combine the noodles with the pork and vegetables. Lastly, add the soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. Stir fry the noodles until all the ingredients are well mixed. Keep an eye on your heat and adjust accordingly so your noodles won't get burned. Yakisoba is an easy recipe that takes no time to prepare. You can serve it as a side dish or main dish. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my videos. Happy eating and thanks for watching.